Electric flux. Electric flux of electric field E through any area A is defined as phi is equal to EA cos theta or E dot A, where theta is angle between electric field vector E and area vector. So in case of an variable electric field or curved area, so we have to take phi is equal to integral of E dot dA. So let us take a problem. Example 2. An electric field is given by E is equal to 6I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap. The electric flux through a surface area 10 units lying in YZ plane is. So here they have given electric field E and they have given the flux through the surface area of 10 units lying in YZ plane. So if the area is lying in YZ plane, then the area vector is perpendicular to YZ plane, that is along X axis. So area vector will become 10 along X axis means I cap. So we need to find the electric flux through this area. So flux is given by phi is equal to E dot A. So that is 6I cap plus 3J cap plus 4K cap dot product with 10I cap. So what happens? 10 into 6, 60. Rest of the terms are not there. So it will become 60 units. That is option B.